Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna make super delicious, super easy, crispy air fried chicken. Okay, so go ahead and pull out those air fryers and let's get started. Here I have a half cup of cornstarch and a quarter cup of flour, as well as paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Okay, I am also using Weber chicken seasoning. Okay, and I'm just seasoning this to taste. When you make yours, you just want to start small with your seasonings, add it to your flour cornstarch, mix it up, and add more as needed. Okay, so now let's get to the chicken. For the chicken, I have here 6 drums, 6 flats. I'm going to dip them in both of these eggs. And I will season this with Weber's chicken seasoning. When you make your chicken, you don't necessarily have to use the same seasonings that I am showing you. You can use whatever seasonings you prefer. This video is more so about the technique than it is about the recipe. If you'd like to use the recipe that I am using, I will leave it down below in the description box. So after all of the chicken has been coated in those eggs, now you are going to dredge it into the seasoned flour cornstarch. Alrighty, and sit your chicken on top of a dry plate and do this until all of the pieces have been coated in the flour mixture. Okay, you want to let this rest for about 15 minutes, and after that time, go ahead and spray it with some cooking spray. Now, the key to getting crispy chicken in your air fryer is to double dip the chicken in that flour cornstarch mixture. Now make sure that you spray your air fryer racks before you sit your chicken on top. And if you are working with a basket air fryer, then I'm not sure if you would need to spray your basket. I've never owned that type of air fryer. The air fryer that I own, is upright and it has racks. Okay, so use your best judgment. Spray the chicken again with the cooking spray. So now we're going to place this inside of the air fryer. I am going to start this air fryer at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now keep in mind, cook times may vary depending on your air fryer. Okay, so yeah, you might want to do like 350 and just stand by and watch your chicken. So here we are halfway through the cooking point. Now is when you want to flip your chicken over, okay? And if any of your pieces have any spots of uncooked flour, then you want to spray them again with that cooking spray. So it's very important that you spray your chicken really good because the cooking spray is going to help cook that flour and promote crispy chicken skin. Okay, so now I'm going to place this back inside of my air fryer. I'm going to increase the time as well as the temperature and allow this to continue to cook. So I worked in batches, although I know that I could have cooked all of this chicken at the same time. I did not, for other reasons. So my first batch of chicken took about 30 minutes to cook. Now here I am with my second batch. Now this time around I decided to use the chicken setting on my air fryer, which gave me a temperature of 370 and a cook time of 40 minutes. But of course I still cooked this for about 30 minutes and it was done. So when you make yours, if you're unsure of whether or not your chicken is done, The best option would always be to use a food thermometer, and once the temperature reaches like through 165, almost at 365, once it reaches 165, your chicken is done. So look at how delicious this looks. The chicken was very, very juicy, really crispy, really delicious. So I hope y'all will try this easy, delicious recipe. Go ahead and pull out those air fryers, give it a try, and let me know how yours turned out. And I hope to catch you in my next video.